Akhirnya video yang ditunggu-tunggu, DIY merubah cat sepeda aku. Well, this is not actually DIY because actually my husband did it. But nonetheless, it's fun to switch from this to, drum roll please, Oke guys, kita cari spray paint. I'm walking to Walmart karena suami aku bilang kalau mau dibantuin aku harus cari spray paint sendiri, takut warnanya salah, which is right. Tinggal satu lagi, yay, and this one and maybe this. Done. No, because you're gonna paint it anyway. Alright, this one is dry. This one with this color. Okay. Now it's 8 o'clock at night. Dry? Lagi new normal di Toronto. As you can see, kotanya sepi banget. Kita kalau nggak perlu-perlu amat sih nggak keluar. Tapi kayaknya masih perlu 1 botol lagi. Is it open? Yes, please open. Yes, please open. Yay! It's open, guys. Basket in budget using okay, so my husband found this on Kijiji for $30 and $10 for this, so I thought it looks better for the look. Now it's the same color with the basket, right? So this bag actually came without the fender, and my husband very adamant about getting fenders for this and paint mint as well. So one more job to do and I'm ready to cruise in the city. Suami aku akhirnya nemuin sepeda rongsokan yang udah lumayan gak terlalu bagus, tapi nemu fendernya yang aslinya langsung dipasangin ke sepeda aku like this, and this is the final result.
And now we're ready cruising the city. Don't forget your helmet. And I thank you for watching. Cheers, Della in Canada.